Think of your first Glitza experience?
Well, it was loads of fun. It was a nice throwback to my childhood, younger days. And I feel like it actually is quite accessible to our kind of aged demographic as well.
So are there places in your everyday life that you could see using Glitza that you didn't get to use it today?
Definitely special occasions, so kind of parties at college, events like Halloween, and even for making things like Christmas cards, I think it's quite useful.
Yeah. So would you want to do this like by yourself or maybe with your friends or some younger relatives? Who can you see using Glitza with?
I mean, I think it was actually quite like calming and therapeutic, so I actually could do this kind of thing alone and just be like very focused on it. But I think definitely as a group it's more fun to kind of compare what everyone's doing, and it can be like a fun group activity. Yeah.
Was it what you expected of Glitter Party?
I mean, I think I'd asked quite a few questions before, so I kind of did have a general image, but I didn't expect that it would be kind of, the actual process would be as fun, because it is kind of almost addictive to just put this up.
Thanks, Ailin. That's it.